Okay, so I'm gonna call Megan. I gotta listen to this. She's sitting next to me, by the way. She's over here. Yeah. So she just got her ring back to him. Yeah. She thought she was funny. So I'm calling her. Says BB. Right? I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you know.
She thinks she's sexy. You hear that? I'm calling her. This is her ring back to him. You can answer it? Answer it and talk. Oh my god, that's so loud.
What is it?
It's the fact that we're so close together. Oh. We're still on video. How you doing? Okay. I just wanted to show you all that. She thinks she's sexy.